When I sit down to play guitar and noodle around, I love mixing up lead and rhythm, exploring the guitar as a complete instrument. And probably my favourite vehicle for doing this is the blues. I started writing solo blues guitar arrangements over 20 years ago. In fact, the very first DVD product I made was a series of these blues arrangements. And actually, I've wanted to revisit it for quite some time, and I recently started digging around in it and realised that actually there was quite a lot of room for improvement. The aim of these blues arrangements was always to help the student improvise using a particular concept. So in this revamped edition, I go into a little bit more detail in that area. I also noticed that some of them were perhaps a little tricky to jump straight into, so I've rearranged simplified versions, or what I've called preparation lessons, which kind of stick with the main concept but in a slightly more accessible form, hopefully still keeping a lot of fun. We're exploring a partnership with a company called MatchMySound for these arrangements. They've invented a really cool technology that can listen to you play and tell whether you're rushing or dragging and if you're getting the notes right or not, and offer you suggestions of where you should be putting your attention for future practice sessions. Also got really cool things like being able to slow the track down and be able to loop different sections while you're listening to the real audio. It's a super useful tool for self-learners. For you that are feeling a bit old school, you'll find a PDF file that you can download at the tab in the resources section. Hope you really enjoy this, and we'll see you for plenty more very soon. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.